Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vivek. I'm studying in Information Science and Engineering, Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. So let's see about Big Data Analytics. So let's see Hadoop installation and configuration in Big Data Analysis. Introduction to Hadoop installation and configuration. Hadoop is an open source framework for processing and storing large data sets in a distributed computing environments. So basically Hadoop is an open source framework which provides a large storage data sets in distributed computing environment. This guide will provide a step-by-step walkthrough of installing and configuring Hadoop on your system. So by following these instructions, you will be able to set up a Hadoop clusters and start using it powerful functionalities. So here, as you see a diagram, map reduce. So the map reduce is gone to distributed processing and HDFC to distributed storage. So the yarn to yet another yarn means yet another resource negotiator. That means job scheduling and resource management. And the next one is Hadoop Commons. So which means that is Java library and JavaScripts. So let's see. Prerequisites. Before installing Hadoop, ensure that your system meets the following requirement. So the following requirement is Java Development Kit version 8 or higher is installed. So you need to install JDK version 8 or maybe it is higher. So SSH is enabled on cluster nodes. So you need to enable the SSH in a cluster nodes, and sufficient disk space and memory are available for the Hadoop. So you need to have a efficient or a sufficient space. Your second bullet, your third bullet. So downloading Hadoop. Visit the Apache Hadoop website http hadoop.apache.org and navigate to download sections. So you need to visit the website called this website hadoop.apache.org and you need to go to the download sections and choose the latest stable release of Hadoop and start the download the binary distribution package, that is tar.gz, suitable for your operating systems. So you need to download a package called tar.gz, suitable for your operating systems. A brief history of Apache Hadoop. In 2004-2006, in 2004, Apache project established. Yahoo begins to operate at a scale. Hortonworks data platform. In 2005, Yahoo creates team under E14 to work on Hadoop. And in 2008, Yahoo team extends focus to operations to support multiple projects and growing clusters. And lastly, in 2011, Hortonworks created to focus on enterprise Hadoop starts with 24 key Hadoop engineers from Yahoo. So this all focus on innovation, this focus on operation, this focus on scalability. Installing Hadoop. So here where the installation is done, extract the download Hadoop package to your desired installation directory. So here you need to extract the package and set up Hadoop home environment variable to install directory and update the path variable to include the Hadoop binary directory. So here you need to update the path variable. So you will get a window, you will get a screen like called Big Data Hadoop installation and Windows 10. Configuring Hadoop. Navigate to the Hadoop installation directory and locate the config folder. First you need to go to the Hadoop installation directory and locate the config folder, and then open the core site.xml file and configure the following properties. So here you need to open a core site.xml file and you need to do some properties. So that is fs default fs. This means this set the default system URL. Hadoop.emp.dir. This means specifies the directory for storing Hadoop temporary files. So this is the diagram of the configuring Hadoop. So this is all about configuring Hadoop. Configuring Hadoop continuation. Open the htfc site.xml file and configure the properties. So here you need to open hdfs site and configure the properties. dfs.replication. This means set the number of data replications. So the next one is dfs dot name node name.dir. This specifies the directory for storing the name node metadata. So this is HDFS architecture. So here it has a name node client and data nodes and a client. So here it sends the metadata to name data, and so this is the HDFS architecture. So the next one is open the mapred site.xml file and configure the following properties. So you need to open even this website mapred site.xml file. MapReduce.framework.name. This sets the framework for MapReduce jobs. And the next property is MapReduce.jobTracker.address. This specifies the address for the job tracker. So here you see the diagram of the picture of the Hadoop configuring. So you need to open the next properties for the installation. Open yarn site.xml file and do these properties. Yarn.nodemanager.aux services. So this means it set the auxiliary service for the node manager. And the next one is yarn.resourcemanager.hostname. This specifies the hostname of the resource managers. So this is about the yarn site XML file configuration. So this is the diagram of Apache Hadoop Yarn architecture. Starting Hadoop cluster. Format the Hadoop distributed file system. So HDFS means Hadoop distributed file system by executing the command HDFS name node format. Start the Hadoop daemons by running the command start dfs.sh. So verify the status of Hadoop services using JPS command. So this is about starting a Hadoop cluster. Conclusion. You have successfully installed and configured Hadoop on your system. With Hadoop, you can now process and analyze large datasets efficiently in a distributed environment. So explore Hadoop's extensive ecosystem and unleash its power for big data processing and storage. So here it is a diagram of the Hadoop clusters. So here it has a user where the work is where the work is going on, and the masters and the sub work. Thank you.